Okay, so we've got a vertical post AB. It's 15 meters from a point C. The angle of elevation of the top of the post on the ground is 67. Calculate the height of the post. So I want this height here. So we've got a right angle triangle. So that's telling me Pythagoras or trigonometry. And because I've got an angle inside the triangle other than the 90 degrees, this is trig. Okay, so that's the first thing to spot. Now then, if it's trig, I need to label the triangle. Use my right angle. So the side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. The angle I'm given, go opposite this angle. So the side is the opposite. And the side between the two angles is the adjacent. So I use SOHCAHTOA to decide which ratio I'm using. So I'm trying to find x, which is the opposite. I'm given 15 meters, which is the adjacent. So the two sides I'm using are the opposite and the adjacent. So the opposite and the adjacent means I'm using tan. So T stands for tan of the angle, which is tan 67, equals O divided by A. Must be in that order. So tan 67 is O, which is, I'm trying to find x, divided by A, which is 15. So divided by x divided by 15. So take the 15 over the side. Opposite of divide by 15 is times in by 15. So to calculate x, use that. So that's 15 times tan 67 equals. So x is 35.33778549 for calculated display, and then question, give it to me to the nearest meter, so I'll give it to the nearest meter. So x is 35 meters to the nearest meter. Part B, a ladder 21 meters long is placed against a vertical wall. So wall, there's the floor, and there's the ladder, if that's my side view. The ladder is 21 meters long, so the ladder is the sloping line. The foot of the ladder is 13 meters from the wall. There's the foot of the ladder, there's the base of the wall, so that's 13 meters. And I want the angle which the ladder makes with the horizontal. Horizontal is going across, so I want that angle there. Let's call it x. So again, it's a right angle triangle, and I'm involving an angle, so this is trigonometry. So I label it up. There's the 90 degrees, so that's hypotenuse. This is the angle I want, so that's opposite, and the one between the angles is the adjacent. So writing down SOHCAHTOA. Sides I'm using then, I know the adjacent and I know the hypotenuse, so I'm using A and H. So A and H is cos. So C stands for cos of the angle, so that's cos x equals A divided by H. So cos x is 13 divided by 21. And now because I'm finding the angle, and then to find x on the calculator, I must press shift cos, and it comes up as cos to the minus 1. I use the fraction button, 13 over 21, close the bracket, press equals, and that's 51.75338 012, and for an angle I'll take it to one decimal place, so that 5 or more increases this digit by 1, so that's 51.8 degrees.